हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज का टॉपिक है एंगल्स एंड ट्राइंगल्स। लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, इंट्रोडक्शन, एंगल, इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर ऑफ एन एंगल, एडजेसेंट एंगल्स, लीनियर पेयर, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ एन एंगल, डिग्री मेजर ऑफ एन एंगल, टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स, ट्राइंगल, इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल, altitudes, medians, types of triangles, important properties of a triangle. Now, introduction. In our daily life, we come across many physical objects having two arms joined together by a hinge. These objects give us an idea of an angle in geometry. जैसे घड़ी की दोनों सुइयां, ये कंपास जब हम ओपन करते हैं, एंड सीजर्स. नाउ एंगल. द फिगर फॉर्म्ड बाय टू रेज with the same initial point is called an angle. The common initial point is known as the vertex of the angle and the rays forming the angle are called its arms or sides. In the given figure, two rays OA and OB with a common initial point O form an angle. We name this angle as angle AOB or angle BOA. We read it as angle AOB or angle BOA. We can also call it angle O. Here O is the vertex and OA and OB are the arms of angle AOB. AOB. These are the arms. This is vertex, right? Or this is the angle. Naming an angle. Consider an angle as shown in figure 11.3 using the symbol this. This symbol. This is the symbol of angle. We can read or write an angle in three ways. First, angle 1 by assigning a number. Number 2, by B by its vertex. 3, angle ABC or angle CBA by 2 points on each ray or arm and the vertex in the middle. तो यहाँ पे एंगल 1 और एंगल B और आर्म का यूज करके ABC, B को हम मिड में रखेंगे या CBA, इस तरह से हम एंगल को क्या कर सकते हैं, उसकी नेमिंग. Now, naming an angle by 2 points on its arms and the vertex is more useful, especially when two or more angles have the vertex in common. In the given figure, three angles are formed which have the same common vertex B. Those are first angle ABC or CBA, पूरा एंगल. Second, angle ABD or DBA. ABD, only this. Third, angle DBC or angle CBD. This angle. In naming an angle, the letter at the vertex is always written in the middle. जिस पे एंगल बना है, जैसे B पे बना है तो हमेशा B क्या आएगा, मिडल में. Now next is interior and exterior of an angle. Let AOB be a given angle. Then first, all those points which lie inside the angle form the interior of the angle in given figure point P. ये एंगल बना है, ये पोर्शन, ये सारा क्या है, इंटीरियर. सेकेंड, all those points which lie outside the angle form the exterior of the angle. In the given figure, points R and S. ये exterior, ये सारा. Third, Every point of each of the arm of the angle is said to lie on the angle in given figure point A, B and Q. जो arms पे है B, A, Q, right? Now next is adjacent angles. Two angles in a plane are said to be adjacent if they have first a common vertex, second a common arm, third the other two known common arms are on the opposite sides of the common arm. In the given figure, angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles because they have a common vertex O and a common arm OB. The other arms OC and OA are on the opposite sides of the common arm OB. This angle and this adjacent, OB common और common vertex और OA और OC क्या है? Opposite. Now next is linear pair. If the sum of angle AOB and angle BOC is 180 degree, then we say these two adjacent angles form a linear pair. In the given figure, angle AOB and angle BOC form a linear pair. AOB और BOC ये क्या है? Linear pair means 180 degree का. Now next is magnitude of an angle. The size or magnitude of an angle depends upon the opening between its arms. It does not depend on the length of the arms. Two angles with different opening have different magnitudes. See in the given figures, angle PQR and angle AOB have different magnitudes. AOB इतना ही ओपन है दोनों आर्म्स और यहाँ पे POR में इतना ओपन है, तो दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड क्या रहेगा? डिफरेंट. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज डिग्री मेजर ऑफ एन एंगल. Let us take a ray OA, rotate it clockwise about the vertex O and reach at a point B. Thus, OA becomes the initial position and OB is the final position. In this case, angle AOB is formed. Rotation can be either in clockwise direction as in figure 1 or anti-clockwise as in figure 2. A complete rotation is divided into 360 equal parts and each part is equal to 1 degree. In this way, one complete rotation is of 360 डिग्री. अगर यहाँ से स्टार्ट करके और पूरा कंप्लीट यहाँ आ जाए तो ये पूरा रोटेशन कितने डिग्री का होगा? 360 डिग्री. Angles are measured in terms of degrees denoted by this. ये जो लगाया है डिग्री. This symbol is inserted on the right top of the numeral representing the opening of an angle. Example, 45 degree can be written as 45 degree. Degree means 45 degree. Example करते हैं. Choose the interior, exterior and lies on the arm of the angles points from the given figure. Solution करते हैं. In the given figure, interior points, interior कौन से? जो आर्म्स के बीच में है, U, P और T, ये हमारे इंटीरियर है. एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट्स, एक्सटीरियर कौन से होते हैं? जो आर्म्स के बाहर है, W, Q, X. एंड लाई ऑन द आर्म्स और बाउंड्री, जो आर्म्स पे लाई करता है, R, V और S. तो इस तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स. Let's learn about various types of angles on the basis of their measures and the relation of their measure with the measure of some given angle. First is acute angle. An angle whose degree measure is greater than 0 but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Now second, obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. This is the obtuse angle. Now third, reflex angle. An angle whose degree measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. This is the reflex angle. Now fourth, complete angle. An angle whose degree measure is 360 degree is called a complete angle. This is. Fifth is zero angle. An angle whose degree measure is 0 degree is called a zero angle. This is. Now sixth is straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree, that is equal to 2 right angles, is called a straight angle. This is. यहाँ पे given है right angle. Right angle means 90 डिग्री का एंगल, इसे क्या बोलेंगे? राइट एंगल. नाउ अप्लाई योर लर्निंग. डू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द एंगल्स गिवन बिलो. एक्यूट एंगल, जीरो एंगल, ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल, राइट एंगल, स्ट्रेट एंगल, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल, अभी सारे डिस्कस हुए हैं. तो ये क्वेश्चन आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. इस तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ट्राइंगल. Let A, B and C be 3 known collinear points. Then the figure formed by the 3 line segments AB, BC and CA is called a triangle with vertices A, B and C. Such a triangle is denoted by the symbol triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC. और कैसे करेंगे? Triangle A, B and C. Now elements or parts of a triangle. First is sides. The 3 line segments AB, BC and CA that form the triangle ABC are the sides of triangle ABC. Angles. The 3 angles, angle BAC, angle ABC and angle ACB, तीनों वर्टेक्स पे, these are the angles, are called the angles of triangle ABC. We can also denote these angles as angle A, angle B and angle C respectively. The 3 sides AB, BC and CA and 3 angles ABC of a triangle ABC are together called the 6 parts or elements of the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, the points A, B and C are called its vertices. Now next is interior and exterior of a triangle. First, the part of the plane enclosed by triangle ABC is called the interior of triangle ABC. इन तीनों लाइन सेगमेंट के बीच का पार्ट, ये हमारा क्या है? इंटीरियर. Second, the part of the plane not enclosed by triangle ABC is called the exterior of triangle ABC. इन तीनों साइड के बाहर का सारा क्या है? एक्सटीरियर. In given figure, PQR are the interior points of triangle ABC, E and F are the exterior points of triangle ABC and D lies on triangle ABC. D किस पे है? ट्राइंगल के ऊपर. Now next is altitudes. The perpendicular drawn from the vertices of a triangle to the opposite side are known as the altitudes of the triangle. In the given figure, AD, BE and CF are altitudes of triangle ABC. BE 90 डिग्री का है, C से F अपोजिट साइड पे और A से D. These are the altitudes. In given figure AD A से D पे and BE B से E अपोजिट साइड पे, CF C से F CF are altitudes of triangle ABC. These three altitudes intersect each other at a point O, which is known as the orthocenter of triangle ABC. तीनों ही किस पे काट रहे हैं? सेंटर, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? ऑर्थो सेंटर, O को. Now next is medians. The line segments joining the vertices to the midpoint of the opposite sides of a triangle are known as its medians. In given figure AD A से D, BE B से E and CF C से F are medians of triangle ABC. D, E and F are the midpoint of sides BC, CA and AB respectively. Midpoint means A और C का midpoint E, B और C का midpoint D और B और A का midpoint F. That means A, F और F, B क्या है? इक्वल. midpoint का मतलब उसको 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. Medians of a triangle are always concurrent and their point of concurrence is known as its centroid. This जिस पे ये मिल रहे हैं. Now no more. A triangle has 3 altitudes and 3 medians. Now next is types of triangles. Triangles are named on the basis of the length of their sides and the measure of their angles as given below. First, naming triangles by considering the length of their sides. Sides के basis पे. First is scalene triangle. A triangle having all sides of different lengths is called a scalene triangle. In given figure, AB is not equals to BC is not equals to AC. Now second is isosceles triangle. A triangle having 2 sides equal is called an isosceles triangle. In given figure, DE is equals to DF. Now third is equilateral triangle. A triangle having all sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. In given figure, PQ is equals to QR is equals to PR. B is naming triangles by considering their angles. First is acute triangle. A triangle whose all the 3 angles are acute, that is less than 90 degree, is called an acute angled triangle or an acute triangle. In given figure, triangle ABC is an acute triangle. Now no more. An equilateral triangle is an acute triangle with all its angles equal to 60 degree. An isosceles triangle has exactly 2 equal angles. Now second is right triangle. A triangle whose one angle measures 90 degree is called a right angled triangle or simply a right triangle. In figure 11.30, angle Q is equals to 90 degree. Now third is obtuse triangle. A triangle one of whose angle measures more than 90 degree is called an obtuse angled triangle or simply an obtuse triangle. In figure, angle E is obtuse. Now next is important properties of a triangle. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree or 2 right angles. As a consequence of the above result, we can say that first, a triangle cannot have more than 1 right angle. Second, a triangle cannot have more than 1 obtuse angle. Third, In a right triangle, the sum of two acute angles is 90 degree. Example करते हैं. Example 1. If two angles of a triangle are 60 degree and 75 degree, what is the measure of third angle? Solution करते हैं. Let third angle be x degree. According to angle sum property, x degree plus 60 degree plus 75 degree is equals to कितना होना चाहिए? 180 degree. X plus 60 plus 75 is 135 degree is equals to 180. So x is equals to 180 degree minus 135 degree is equals to कितना आ गया? 45 degree. Hence third angle is 45 degree. Now example 2. If triangle ABC, if 2 times angle A is equals to 3 times angle B is equals to 6 times angle C, then calculate angle A, angle B and angle C. Solution करते हैं. Let 2 times angle A is equals to 3 times angle B is equals to 6 times angle C is equals to x degree. Then angle A is equals to कितना हो गया? x by 2, क्योंकि क्या है? 2 times angle A is equals to x डिग्री, तो एंगल A कितना हुआ? x अपॉन 2. इसी तरह से एंगल B इज इक्वल्स टू x अपॉन 3 डिग्री एंड एंगल C इज इक्वल्स टू x अपॉन 6 डिग्री. नाउ एंगल A प्लस B प्लस C तीनों का सम कितना होगा? 180 डिग्री. A इज x बाई 2 प्लस B इज x बाई 3 प्लस C इज x बाई 6 इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. नाउ क्या लिया हमने? एलसीएम. एलसीएम लेने के बाद क्या आया? 3x प्लस 2x प्लस x इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री और एलसीएम को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया किससे? 180 से, क्योंकि जब एलसीएम लेंगे ऐसे 6 तो ये 180 डिग्री अपोजिट साइड में, तो ये यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ 3x प्लस 2x प्लस x इज इक्वल्स टू 6x. सारे x लाइक टर्म्स हो गए. 6x इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 इज इक्वल्स टू 1080. x की वैल्यू निकाली, डिवाइड कर देंगे किससे? x की वैल्यू निकालनी है, 6 से डिवाइड कर दिया, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. सो एंगल A इज इक्वल्स टू 180 बाई 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. एंगल B इज इक्वल्स टू 180 अपॉन 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 60 डिग्री एंड एंगल C इज इक्वल्स टू 180 अपॉन 6 is equals to 30 degree. Hence, angle A is equals to 90 degree, angle B is equals to 60 degree and angle C is equals to 30 degree. Now, example 3. The angles of a triangle ABC are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find all the angles of triangle ABC. Solution करते हैं इसका. Let the first angle A be x degree. So angle B is equals to 2x and angle C is equals to 3x. Sum of angles of a triangle कितना होता है? 180 degree. Right? So angle A plus angle B plus angle C, x plus 2x plus 3x is equals to 180 degree. सम किया, 6x is equals to 180 degree. x की वैल्यू निकाला, 180 को 6 से डिवाइड किया, 6 3 जा 18, तो x की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई हमारी? 30 डिग्री. सो एंगल A इज इक्वल्स टू 30 डिग्री, एंगल B इज इक्वल्स टू 2x, 2 इंटू 30 इज इक्वल्स टू 60 डिग्री, एंगल C इज इक्वल्स टू 3x इज इक्वल्स टू 3 इंटू 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. नाउ अप्लाई योर लर्निंग. The angles of a triangle ABC are in the ratio 2:4:6. Find all the angles of triangle ABC. Same as example, इसे आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. तो इस तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद कीजिए.